After drawing strong condemnation from Catholic bishops and other lay leaders, Congressman Raymond Palatino apologized and meekly withdrew his bill seeking to prohibit religious rites and images in government buildings and offices in line with the Philippine Constitution's separation of church and state.
In response to the appeal and clamor of our members, our constituents, and various groups, institutions, and because of the misunderstandings, misinterpretations of the bill, many people now associate the bill with godlessness, and that they are accusing us of suppressing faith or religion, and that is not the intent of the bill. And instead of causing further division in our country and causing further damage to the reputation of my party, we decided to withdraw the bill. But it doesn't mean that the advocacy will stop there, because despite the misunderstandings, we are encouraged by the fact that the bill triggered debates, conversations, discussions about secularism, about the role of the church in the state, about the role of churches in our public institutions, and I think this is a positive thing. It's a form of self-criticism. I also recognize that maybe the bill caused offense, and I offended the religious sentiments of many of our people, although that is not my intent. In fact, what I want to promote is tolerance and non-discrimination. But because of the distortions, I admit the bill offended many people, and that is not my intent.